pun-chhiú tổ kái-koat būn-tê ha mi su ai sio-mē le. Pun-chhiú tổ kái-koat būn-tê ha mi su ai sio-mē le. Pun-chhiú tổ kái-koat būn-tê ha mi su ai sio-mē le. Pun-chhiú means break up. Pun-chhiú tổ kái-koat means can. Kái-koat means solve. Būn-tê means problem. I don't know how to explain the usage of in this sentence, so I will just share the information I found online in the comment section. Ha mi su means why, but you can also say something like 做咪su. I means want to, I. sio-mē means argue. And le is a question particle that we use to express curiosity, just like the ne in Mandarin Chinese. For example, if you want to say, why are you talking to me like this? You can say, 做咩事攞嚟按你款教我講話咧? Or you can say something like, why are you doing this? 做咩事攞嚟按你款做咧? So that's the usage of le in Penang Hokkien. And if I'm not mistaken, this one is a Cantonese loan word. So, pun-chhiú tổ kái-koat būn-tê ha mi su ai sio-mē le. It literally means something like, if you can just break up, why are you arguing? Or if something can be resolved through breaking up, then why are you arguing? So that's the meaning of the sentence. 講我人嘅面狀語言，橋到對我人嘅面狀認同。Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you survive until the next election, and I will see you next time.